Today on Inside the Blueprint, we're searching the country for the companies making big advancements in the built environment. Airtech Vacuum is blowing away their customers with their innovative solutions. Airflow is crucial to workplace comfort, and the experts at MacroAir are helping businesses play it cool. Revolutionizing highway construction, GCC's fast-drying cement technology produces concrete results. And we're digging into the proud history of LBX and their link belt excavators, ideal for heavy-duty jobs in forestry, construction, demolition, and more. Innovation is often defined as the introduction of something new. Airtech USA, an industry-leading manufacturer of vacuum pumps and blowers, has always been at the forefront of technological development and improvement. They know that innovation is the key to developing superior equipment, as well as staying one step ahead of the competition.
Airtech has been in business for 20+ years, and over the last half of that time frame, it has really evolved into a company that focuses on providing solutions to customers. I'm responsible for guiding the growth and direction of the business and successfully delivering solutions for our customers. Our salespeople, our engineers, everybody in the business understands vacuum and air fluid handling and focuses on how do we do it better than anybody else. We do things that none of the competition does. We focus on custom solutions, and that draws more customers to us because we are one of the few companies that actually spend the time, take the time to deliver those solutions. One of the key tenets of the Airtech culture is an intense focus on innovation. It's part of our DNA. It is why we exist. It is how we add value in the marketplace.
While other companies focus on various niches, our engineers are quick, they're agile, they're able to jump from one foot to the next, select materials they've never worked with before, a wide range of gases, a wide range of temperatures, a wide range of weird applications.
We go in and evaluate what is being used today, and we figure out if that technology is really the right choice. Once we have established what the customer requirements is, we then work with the engineering group to engineer that solution that fits that customer-specific need.
It's not easy to put together a team that can do that. We're close to about 25 engineers globally. We have more than half of them in the United States, and here we're more of the mechanical side, the application for the North American and global market.
My name is Thomas, and I'm a Senior Product Development Engineer here at Airtech. We are at the R&D lab, and here where we're doing our developments. We have a 3D printer, we have a coordinated measuring machine which is going to help us to measure and verify our parts. We have a temperature chamber. We're making sure with our equipment everything is to specification before we build our first prototype.
Customs department is basically where we take a lot of our standard innovations and customize them to customer specifications. That can be anything from specialized motors, specialized coatings, certain drive types, anything under the sun. As long as it's in our customer specifications, we can meet that.
This is the heart of the Airtech manufacturing facility. The facility is divided into 4 business segments, starting with standard product, run-of-the-mill catalog designs that are designed by us and our partners, customized solutions where we're taking a standard catalog product and modifying it to fit the customer application, OEM products where we're doing ground-up developments to meet customers' specific needs, and systems when somebody's looking for multiple pumps, multiple blowers, the 9 yards. Now I'm going to take you over to Thomas, who oversees our CNC manufacturing.
So we are at the CNC area. What we're doing is from our 3D model that we design on our computer, we convert the 3D model to code so the machine can read it. And after that, once you do it for one time, then you just let it go by itself.
Now we're in the standard and customized product department, overseen by Ashley. She should be here any moment. Oh, there she is.
Hey, sorry, there was traffic.
No problem. Hey, do you mind walking us through some of our standard products and how we customize them?
Sure.
Thank you.
So in vacuum, there are a lot of different ways to move gas, and at Airtech we have all of these solutions under one roof ready to ship. We have everything from rotary piston compressors, we have oil lubricated rotary vane pumps, we also have dry rotary vane pumps, oil lubricated rotary claw pumps, and liquid ring vacuum pumps. However, my personal favorite has to be the regenerative blower. These are the workhorse. This will do anything you need it to do, and the best part, it is highly customizable, and that's what we strive for here at Airtech. This is a perfect example. This is the same blower, in this case, totally customized for the biogas industry. We have a nickel-coated blower with a magnetic drive and an explosion-proof motor. We also offer it in larger sizes. At Airtech, we can customize any blower for your application.
Key to all of these, including standard, custom, and OEM, is quality. And we just happen to have our quality manager here, Rosalie. Hey Rose, do you mind telling us a few words about our quality system?
We are an ISO 9001 2015 certified company. Quality in our company basically means from ground up, management involved, everything is involved together to make it the best it could be. We also are UL certified on most of our products, and we can have any certification required by the customer. So 100% of our products are tested before going out of the building. That means blower, electronics, everything is tested. For us also it means on our everyday life to make it integrated. So we have work instruction, we have procedures that everybody follow, we have a test sheet that are already set up for different products. So depending on the products you're going to build, you're going to test it according to the standards.
Well, here we are standing with the next generation high-speed blower that is taking a new market segment where we are replacing positive displacement devices that has been used for the last 50 years in the industry. This is now a new technology with no gearbox, no belt drives, much higher efficiencies, lower noise, no maintenance. Can be used for both vacuum or pressure, and longevity that far outpaces anything that's available today in the market.
We are not a standard product company. We are not somebody who just provides product off the shelf. We really deliver value through innovative solutions for our customers, developing one-off solutions that only that customer needs, that meets their specific requirements, something that is unique in the marketplace today.
For more information about Airtech USA, check out their website at airtechusa.com. MacroAir is the inventor of the high-volume, low-speed HVLS fan. In 1998, Walter Boyd invented and patented a new type of circulator fan, developed to benefit agriculture and dairy production. It eliminates the need for hundreds of small fans within a facility while also reducing the operating costs of HVAC systems by an average of 25% or more. MacroAir was founded in 2003, and their headquarters are located in San Bernardino, California. Their main goal is to improve the quality of life through excellent airflow management that bring comfort solutions to a number of different spaces.
The first prototype was kind of funny looking. The first one had utilized 4x8 sheets of plywood, the 4 of them mounted on a pedestal with a big gearbox driving it through a shaft, and it was just a big clumsy mess. And we realized that using an extruded airfoil shape was the best way to do it, with a gearbox mounted on the ceiling to spin it from above. We improved upon it by using airfoil shapes that were extruded aluminum.
There was a kernel of an idea there, a big slow-moving fan, and it just got me to thinking about it, and I realized, well, you know, that might be actually a viable product. After we built one and put it up and tried it out, we discovered that thing really works. That's the way it started.
Then eventually, we understood that we'd want to go direct drive. If we could get rid of the gearbox, it was really going to be something pretty special. So we wanted to eventually get rid of the gearbox. We were able to create a direct drive unit that used a DC brushless motor that's spun at about 60 RPM with a high amount of torque. That's what we use now. It's a DC brushless motor. direct drive.
That's kind of been a game changer on the size of fans that we have it on, because you don't really see something like that on a fan this big, or at least not before we did it.
MacroAir technology helps cut energy costs and electric bills by providing high-volume, low-speed fans. This technology helps with productivity and comfort by providing cool spaces in hot environments, or even switching our fans to reverse during cold winters to create a heating effect.
Our product is different than a lot of other fan manufacturers because our versatility allows us to be incorporated into spaces that need fan movement, air movement for cooling spaces, as well as reverse functionality of a fan, which allows for warming spaces as well.
Essentially what it does is it pulls the heat from the ceiling down the sides of the building and mixes the air.
So we're adaptable to multiple climate ranges, and we see a lot of use in agriculture for that reason, and spaces you wouldn't normally think about using a ceiling fan.
A lot of people are putting them in their restaurants now because it'll keep you cool and you can still talk to the person sitting across the table from you. They're going in a lot of warehouses, a lot of barns. Cows, goats love them. I visited a goat farm myself, and the goats, every time the fans turned on, they all would rush towards it because it felt so good for them.
We have a 23,000 square foot production facility, and we also have a tap room here that brings in a lot of people. So moving some air and keeping it cool is key.
The major new innovation is the advancement of the software and hardware control platform. It also drives better reliability and operating performance, thus improving on energy efficiency.
Brewery spaces tend to be sort of a mixed industrial and commercial type setting. On one hand, you want to invite the general public into your tap room, so air movement through an HVLS fan will increase the comfort of those occupants, and it'll be a more inviting environment for them to be in. At the same time, it's an industrial environment. You have brewery workers, you have potential for spills and added moisture, and the added air movement from our HVLS fan technology helps reduce and minimize that moisture that's on the ground.
The ultimate goal of MacroAir is to improve quality of life with these highly innovative fans.
If we look at every fan we make and every fan that's out there, they can cover quite a wide range of area. Our objective is to move forward and create some home fans that are high level, high quality. That's our objective ultimately, to touch a billion people.
I think you can always count on MacroAir to be bringing new innovations. We have a history of being the first to develop new technologies. We're going to continue to push the envelope wherever we can.
Our infrastructure today is getting a much-needed facelift, with construction projects underway across the nation on highways, airport runways, and office buildings. And that means lots of concrete.
Nothing gets constructed without concrete. It's all around us. It's the building product of the modern world.
Concrete is everywhere you see. It's in every part of our life. It's in your house, it's in your sidewalk, it's in your driveway. If there's construction, it's going to have concrete in it, and if it's got concrete in it, it's going to have cement in it.
But concrete construction can also mean putting up with lengthy delays in material preparation and just waiting for the pavement to dry. However, innovative solutions and cement mixtures are bringing a radical change to the construction industry, resulting in fast-drying products like rapid set cement that eliminate downtime.
The biggest issue with traditional cements in concrete is how long it takes to cure or to set and get hard. GCC has a rapid set cement that is used that sets up much quicker, which allows contractors to go in and do tear outs of big pieces of runway or pavements overnight and have them ready for traffic in the morning without impeding the public. And as we all know, time is money.
So rapid set allows a contractor or a paver to get on and off the project in hours instead of days.
This innovation in concrete is important at GCC, an international cement and specialty products manufacturer that was founded in 1941.
GCC started over 75 years ago in Chihuahua, Mexico. And from that one plant, we have grown to be the market leader in the center part of the U.S. Our network here in North America runs from northern Mexico up through the center of the country of the U.S. into Canada. And between our footprint and our distribution network, we provide stable supply and reliability to all of our customers. GCC's mission is to be the supplier of choice for cement, concrete, and innovative solutions, partnering with our customers to give them the best value for their construction projects.
GCC is one of the most innovative cement companies in the United States, if not the world. Environmental stewardship is one of our core competencies at GCC. We strive every day to improve our environmental footprint. From the cement that we manufacture, we've reduced our environmental impact by 10% in the last 10 years. And as we move forward, it is something that we continually strive to look at.
With laboratories and distribution centers, cement plants and quarries here in El Paso, Texas, and in the central part of the U.S. and Mexico, GCC is now one of the leading pre-mixed concrete producers in the USA, with nearly 3,000 employees paving the way for innovation in rapid set cement and creating specialty products by way of additives in research and development.
In its mission, GCC wants to be the supplier of choice for innovative solutions. So that means that our sales force needs to go out there with our customers and find problem areas or opportunities for improvement. Then convey that information to our R&D team, who have to work with geologists and find the right raw materials to generate that cementitious material that we want to put in the market to solve somebody's problem. The manufacturing process for cement starts in a quarry where you extract the limestone. Limestone has calcium, the main component in cement. So everything starts here, blasting the mountain, taking the rocks, making them smaller in a size that can be transported in a conveyor to the manufacturing plant.
As part of the many specialty products offered to its customers, GCC, in partnership with CTS, is licensed to produce and sell bulk rapid set in the central part of the United States. The end result from these new cement products is revolutionizing the quality and time constraints of modern-day construction, such as here on busy Interstate 10 outside El Paso, Texas, where repairs and new concrete slabs utilizing rapid set cement can be completed within hours rather than days. That means the concrete repair work can begin the night before and it's dry by morning, completely eliminating the need to shut down roads or disrupt traffic.
It's the satisfaction of knowing that you're working behind the scenes while everybody's asleep. You are maintaining the infrastructure of the city in place so that they can do their daily commute with no interruption. Now, in addition to that, rapid set has longer durability than traditional cement. Therefore, the road that we repaired last night is not going to have to be repaired again in 75 years. And the cherry on top is that to generate rapid set, you need less energy than with traditional cement. So you have less energy consumption and therefore a lower CO2 print. This is the future of modern paving utilizing concrete. Being able to make roads that will last longer and with lower emissions, and on top of it, to be able to do it overnight is the total winner. Three things that are of great benefit for the community.
These innovative, fast-drying cement products have drastically reduced downtime in construction today, and that can mean increased savings in time and money for all of us, thanks to a company with nearly 80 years of dedication to innovation.
What I want GCC to be known for mostly is that nobody will chase an innovative solution down faster than GCC.
And no matter where that product comes from, the customer, end customer, will get the same quality product from GCC.
To learn more about GCC and its cement and specialty products, go to its website, gcc.com, or go to InsideTheBlueprint.com to see this portion of the show again.
Well, we have to go back 145 years ago when a gentleman by the name of William Dana Hayward patented and founded the link belt chain, which was basically replacing the leather and strap chain on agricultural equipment of the time. So that's where everything started.
The history of our company is pretty interesting. You know, we started as a farm equipment tool, and we've evolved over the generations into actually heavy construction equipment. So our founders had an idea, and he came up with a way to meet customers' needs, and it didn't stop there. So if you look back at the history of our company, how we've evolved into the company we are today, it was all done by meeting customer needs.
In the 1890s, he was able to produce the first steam power mining coal crane, and this was really the genesis of link belt equipment that we know of today.
So today, LBX is responsible for product development and distribution in North and South America with a strong, loyal customer base and a very strong dealer network.
Link belt technology was inspired to provide innovative products, services, and support that ensure our customers and our employees the greatest opportunity for success.
LBX company has worked very diligently to develop a machine that is unique in the industry. In an industry where many machines are being developed that do the same job effectively, it's our goal to make a machine that does it differently than the others, and better, obviously. One way that we have achieved this is through our proprietary hydraulic system. There is a hydraulic system that is utilized within our machines that we call spool stroke control, which combines and marries all the components of the machine together.
So we have a proprietary hydraulic system that no one else has that allows our hydraulics and our engine to work seamlessly together. So our computer system that guides all that can take out any lags in hydraulic power, any lags in engine horsepower. And so the end product is you have a machine that's smooth, that's easy to operate, that's got plenty of power for whatever the job requires, and it's auto-sensing as it's pulling through the hole. So that's pretty game-changing when it comes to excavating technology.
We call that operability and controllability. The operator will be able to feel more, be able to do more, all being more efficient because the machine is easier to control and is better for them at their fingertips.
With customers and dealers at the forefront of product development and new implemented technologies, LBX Company offers products and solutions which lead the industry in many ways, including efficiency and productivity.
LBX always listens to the customer and the dealer. They're always at the forefront of our development, and as a result of that, we now have Waves wide-angle visual enhancement system offering up to a 270-degree bird's-eye view around the machine. We have Link Belt Precision Grade, which is a grade control solution offering machine guidance and machine control, and also remote care telematics. These are several examples of why and how LBX is always listening to the end user and the customer and dealer.
Systems are designed to improve job site safety, improve job site performance, accuracy. We're listening to our customers, and that's why we've designed the whole MG-MC system, just to meet those needs. And it's something they need anyway to be more competitive when they're bidding on jobs.
In their commitment to create long-lasting relationships with their customers and dealers, LBX Company created the new state-of-the-art Customer Experience Center in close proximity to their headquarters in Lexington, Kentucky.
We built this center for our dealers and for our customers, meaning that it's completely open for them to use. We are using it as a proving ground so that we can do equipment testing here. We can do live equipment shows, product demonstrations. We can have large dealer events for our dealers.
The CEC is a facility that offers training to dealers and/or customers. It keeps us connected at a more personal level to our customers and dealers.
The success of our future really lean on what I would call the three strategic anchors of our organization. Premium product, we've had premium product for 145 years and different stages. The strength of our culture and also the way that company is relationship based.
Our organization, our company is only as good as our people, and success is a team sport. And that's the reason why at ABX we continue to cultivate what we call our all-in culture to make sure that our employees continue to be engaged, enabled, and energized for the next 145 years.
Thanks for watching Inside the Blueprint. For more information on any of the products you saw today, or to find out how to become part of the show, please visit InsideTheBlueprint.com.